funny little squeak. G is for goose, honking with glee. H is for hermit crab, hiding by the sea. I is for iguana, with scales so green. J is for jaguar, fast and keen. K is for koala, cuddly and gray. L is for lion. Day. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for narwhal, with a horn so profound. O is for otter, playful and quick. P is for polar bear, in the Arctic so thick. Q is for quail, with a feathered plume. R is for rooster, who crows with a boom. S is for shark, swimming in the sea. T is for turtle, slow as can be. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for vulture, circling the ground. W is for warthog, with tusks that twist. X is for x-ray fish on the list. Y is for yak, big and strong. Z is for zebra, striped all along.